In this lab, I'm going to be setting up a site-to-site VPN with NAT. First, we're going to set up an ISACANT policy for IKE Phase 1. Second, we're going to set up IPsec transform set for IKE Phase 2. Third, we're going to define interesting traffic with an access list. Fourth, we're going to set up a crypto map. And fifth, we're going to assign that crypto map to the interface. Here's the topology that we're going to be working with. We have the Westlake router with the 192.168.10.0 network, and the Cleveland router with the 192.168.20 network. So we're going to be setting up the VPN between these two networks here. It's going to be going through the Westlake router to the ISP to the Cleveland router. So let's get started with the configuration. We're going to start on the Westlake router. So config T and crypto ISACANT policy, and we're going to go 100, then encryption and AES and 128 authentication, and we're doing pre-share, enter, and then Diffie-Hellman group 5, and then in the hash we're going to pick SHA, and then the lifetime, and we're going to go with 86,400, which is the default. And next we want to configure the crypto ISACANT key. So that's going to be crypto ISACANT key, and we're going to go 6, and the key is going to be Cisco 123, and then we're going to pick address, and that address is going to be this interface here on the Cleveland router. So that's going to be 95.95.95.1. Hit enter. And now we want to configure the IKE Phase 2 IPsec. That's going to be for data transferred over the tunnel. So we want to do the crypto IPsec transform set VPN test and space. So we're going to do the encryption. That's going to be AES 128. Then the hash, that's going to be SHA, enter, exit, and next we're going to do the this is going to be the access list for the NAT. So we don't want the 192.168.10 that we're partaking in NAT. We don't want that added, so we're gonna deny that for being added. So we're gonna copy that in, and then the next access list, this is gonna be for bringing up the interesting traffic for the VPN. So we're gonna cut and paste that in. So, and next we want to configure the crypto map. Exit, so crypto map, and that's going to be VPN map 100, and then we want IPsec ISACANT. And then we want to match address, so that's going to be the access list here. So we're going to cut and paste that in, and hit enter, and then set peer. That's going to be 95.95.95.1, and then we want to set transform. And that's going to be the crypto map that we configured before. So let's cut and paste that in, and then set security lifetime seconds. I'm going to go 900. And next we want to configure the NAT. So exit and IP NAT, inside, source, and then we're going to do route map. And we're going to name the route map no NAT. And then we're going to apply that to the interface serial 0, then overload, enter. And now we're going to go to apply that crypto map to the interface. So interface serial 0/0 crypto map, and that's going to be our crypto map that we named before, crypto map. And then we're going to apply the IP NAT outside on that interface. And next we want to configure the NAT on the inside interface. So it's in interface F0/0 IP NAT inside, enter. And now we want to configure the route map. So it's going to be route map, and that's the that no NAT that comes from up here where we named the route map. So, and then we want to permit and 10, then match IP address NAT traffic. That's the that's going to come from the access list right here. So let's just cut and paste that in. And now we want to configure our IP route 0.0.0, 0.0.0, and 99.99.99.2. And that's it for the Westlake router. And now we want to configure the Cleveland router. That's basically going to be the same configuration, except for a couple of minor differences. So let's go over to the Cleveland router. And config T. And first we'll configure the IKE phase 1 ISACAM. So this is going to be the same as the Westlake router. So we'll cut and paste that in. And this is going to be the same except for this IP address here. So we'll cut and paste this in. Hit enter. And now we'll do the phase 2. This is going to be the same as the Westlake router. Cut and paste that in. And now we'll do the IP, or do the access list. This is going to be the mirrored configuration to the Westlake router. So this is going to be the opposite IP addresses. So we'll just cut and paste this in. And next we'll do the crypto map. That's going to be the same except for this IP address. And we'll just cut and paste this in. And next, and we'll do this. This should be, yeah, this will be the exact same as the Westlake router. And now we'll do the, okay. And now we'll configure the inside IP NAT for the inside interface. And now we'll do the route map. And that should be the same as the Westlake router too. And now we'll do the IP route. It's going to be a default route. And that should be it. And now we're going to test the, first we're going to test the NAT configuration. So IP NAT translation, IP interface brief, So to test the NAT, I'm going to ping from this network on the Cleveland router, the 192.168.20 network. I'm going to ping that, then I'm going to ping this interface here, the 99.99.99.1 interface on the Westlake router. So ping 99, and let me do a debug here. Debug IP NAT detail. So ping 99.99.99.1 source 192.168.20.1, and the NAT is working. Yeah, so that all looks good. And now we want to test the VPN. So let's do a debug crypto ISACamp. So now we're going to ping from the 192.168.20 network to the 192.168.10 network over here. So we'll do a ping 192.168.10.1, 192.168.20.1. And it looks like the VPN is up and working. Getting a lot of output on the debug there. And let's do a UWall and do a show crypto map or crypto ISACamp. And yep, looks good. Idle, we should be getting this here. That means we're up and good. So I'm going to do a show crypto IPsec SA, and that looks good too. No error. Oop, go one error, but it looks good. And yep. So if we do a ping again, let's do a ping. And yeah, these should be going up here. Packets encapsulated and decapsulated here. So let's do another ping. And show that again. And you can see the counts going up here. The packets. That's pretty much all I wanted to show. So thanks for watching.